I'm Miss Joanne, and I'm so excited for the Summer Olympics. Today, we're going to make a yogurt parfait Olympic torch. It's super easy and really fun. So we start with some ice cream cones. So I have here some yogurt and nectarines and apricots. And I have them sliced up like this and also diced up into cubes. So we're gonna start with taking some of our diced fruit and putting it in the bottom of our yogurt or of our ice cream cone. And we're gonna take our yogurt. This is vanilla flavored Greek yogurt, but you can use whatever kind you like. And you're gonna smush it in there. Just like frosting, right? Then we take some more of the slices and we're gonna stick them in the top to look like the flames of the Olympic torch. And there we go. It's that fast, it's that easy. I will definitely be eating some of these while watching my favorite Olympic athletes this year. And I hope you enjoy watching the Olympics. Also, to celebrate, if you want to click below, you can see the link to my friend Miss Chris's craft. We're going to make a wreath to celebrate the Olympics, and I hope everybody has a great summer.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.